It's so incredible for a man and his wife living together happily, and at the end of the day, the wife kills the husband for giving his mom more money than her mom. Wonder shall never cease.
What is your kind? What is true?
I still remain your host, Jumoke Abiodun, your one and only Melanie. And you know now, I always have my co-host with me every time, any day, anywhere.
Okpo. Olawisa is my name.
Yes, sir. But even this thing not tire me. Like, wife kills, husband kills, this one kills. It's getting too rampant. But come to think of it, why will a woman, you know, you are going to give birth one day to a male child. You know, because you're trying to claim that I'm the owner of my man. You're trying to claim responsibility in this time, in this kind of thing. You know, saying because your husband gave his mom more money
than your mom.
So his mom than your mom. But hey, she should even be happy now.
Why not add to the money?
God bless you.
And when you add to the money, you will call yourselves, my darling, I don't like it.
Abio.
If you want to give them money,
make it
equal. Or better still, don't give any one of them.
Never make me know.
It's understandable. But now you now giving your mom more money than my mom, how do you want me to feel? Is that you are saying that your mom is what? No, you can. It's a thing they can actually settle amicably. But it doesn't have to result in killing each other over. It's a thing. Babe, what you did, I don't like it. Make it equal, or better still, don't give anyone at all, or don't let me know.
Yes.
That you give them money, but not killing yourselves over what's not even an issue. I mean, it's not an issue now. It's not an issue.
But that's okay. But also, the husband step is dead fine. But I'm very sure that will be the first time he was doing that.
Or maybe the wife has been telling us really.
Exactly, and she had opened up. And I will pin this to bad advice from friends. They be like, see, maybe she wanted to kill the mother self, and she couldn't, and she was like, this one should go jare. So far say,
okay, now that you killed your husband, what's not your game? You turned yourself into a widow. You turned your children into orphans. So what's the point?
I'm telling you.
It's not, see, ladies are big women, whichever one we fall into. There's some irrational steps that, if taken, can never be reversed. Trust me. So you're not killing your husband. Now you've killed him now. You've already turned you've turned the woman into someone that does not have a child. Oh, they can't be more just because your husband gave it is his mother. If your husband should give his mother more money, you to your own pocket. Ask your own mother's to money.
Wait, so she should even be grateful now. She should be grateful.
Your husband is even giving your mother money.
Some people, I have a woman like that. The husband, anytime the husband, because they're from the same town, anytime the husband goes to visit his own mom,
she doesn't.
Ordinary blood tonic.
You see?
He will not even buy. And
so,
for the month.
And some women don't take it as anything.
No, do you know what the woman used to do too? When she's going, she do that month, everything. She pack it for her mother, but still the fact, if she's good, she used to give her mother or something. Even though it's very small.
You shouldn't.
Even it's very small.
She shouldn't do it.
But God now vindicated the woman now. The mother-in-law, her head there, maybe when she was coming from heaven. He said, okay, when you grow up, God has destined that you are not going to do from your son's sweat. Anything the guy packed to, just to give the mother. The mother used to reject it. Maybe she's seeing the wife as the threat that okay, if you dad go. No. She's the one, no. You understand now? Maybe they've now told her that okay, if you want to live long anything your child is doing for you, you must not eat. So anytime the man goes like that and come back with the same stuff, your Shebi is your mother that does not want to eat. Thank you.
She brings
Kumara, pack it up, repack it, send it to her mother. You see?
It's actually it's rational. It's not what
Hey,
it's not what's killing
she
you.
should be grateful.
You can actually sit down and talk to yourselves amicably. It's communication. You and your partner should know how well to communicate with each other. Killing yourselves is not ideal. So please, any steps married women or single ladies or someone that wants to venture into marriage, you rethink, you think twice, you think about whatever action, because these actions actually have repercussions.
Yes,
you may not have repercussions now, but trust me, it's going to have later. That you will have forgotten that, oh, this is what I did that made everything look so messy like this. So we should actually take it easy with ourselves and with our spouses.
Yeah, men, please, let's strike a balance between your wife's mother and your mother. You know, there are some things you have to apply wisdom to. Yes, fine. You can't. We can't expect it as women to do the same.
Exactly.
Everybody has their ways of treating their mothers fairly.
Yes.
But there are ways to go about it. You know, you can actually envelope it.
It has to be an equilibrium. You have to balance everything.
You can envelope 50,000 naira for your mother. While you envelope 30,000 naira for your wife's mother. They won't know what's inside the envelope.
And you don't have to tell your wife, this is the amount I gave mom, this is the amount I gave your mother. No, don't tell them. I give them something to go home with. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's as simple as that.
Everybody will not start asking their own.
There's no point asking them. I said it is. People, it's nonsense. Asking.
Some wives are kind of, they're kind of
jealous. You don't need it. You see, there's some things you just let go in marriage. You don't need it. What to follow, not yet.
Be grateful.
Exactly. Just forget it and just do something else with your life. Find something to do with your time. Rather than asking your husband how much do you give her, how much. No, it's not necessary.
Some men, and they will be there, friend. They start asking friend.
Juice.
No, so they can do that. Yes, so I'm really taking care of my mother. No, please. There are better ways to go about these things in relationship, and also learn to identify your family responsibility. That's just the truth of the matter. You see your wife that you guys come to reach a consensus and these are the things. This month we are going to your mother. Next month we are going to my mother. There are ways to go about this thing. And see, mothers
communication. You communicate.
Mothers see, because let's keep on praying that God should bless us beyond the imagination. Exactly. If God bless us as a mother-in-law, you don't need all your children's money to survive. Forget it. My mom used to say something. See, if you come back and say, "Mommy, take," it's because God has laid this in your mind to do that.
If you don't do it for me, then just like I do.
Yes, she will tell you, God has just blessed you to bless me, and if you don't do it, I will survive. My dad used to say that. See, if you succeed, that is my joy. Because if you don't succeed, then I will still be the one being affected.
Yeah.
So if you not succeed, if you not say, okay, daddy, take, it's because you are nice. It's not compulsory. There's nobody it is written that it is compulsory that you must give your mother-in-law, you must give your mother something. But you just see it as your duty as a child, to at least help your brain, because this responsibility has led a lot of people to committing a lot of atrocity. You see child going to rob, all in the name of I want to take care of my mother.
It's not what's doing nonsense, but it's not what's killing or doing.
They did not send you. If you know you're not capable, please just
wait till you are capable.
I'm telling you that. So we are making this a wrap on this edition. Don't forget to always like, comment, and share. See you some other time. Stay tuned and remember this.